Hi, this is Phil from Howell Rescue Supply. This is our main website for firefighters, rescue people to come directly and access a number of products. Our main product line would be Howell Rescue Systems products. We also carry FLIR products. We carry Leatherhead Tools. We carry Milwaukee batteries. We also carry high lift jacks. The main Milwaukee product we carry online is the M28 battery. The key difference is, as you might find in your local hardware store, that you can buy an M28 battery in a 3 amp. This is the hard to find 5 amp. We're only one of a couple retailers that actually sell this battery. Works on all M28 tools out there from Milwaukee. It also works on all of our Genesis rescue tool battery tools, except for the SLI version, which is the newest version. We also sell M28 chargers. Both our web store and our sales reps carry the full line of FLIR cameras, from the K1 all the way up to the NFPA K65 camera. We also carry truck chargers, tabletop chargers, all on the website. There's a reason we carry Leatherhead Tools. They're an industry leader in hand tools. We carry their full line, from Halligans to flathead axes, sledgehammers, picket axes, their entire line. Great tools. We also carry a full line of Dräger gas detection tubes, from the common tubes that you use every day to very unusual specialized tubes. All of them come directly from Dräger. There's a reason we don't carry them in stock, because Dräger issues the expiration date on the day they leave the factory. Turtle Plastics makes a great variety of stabilization type cribbing equipment. One of the things that we've packaged together that's really a nice price and a nice kit is what we call the engine stabilization kit. So the engine stabilization kit is 2 of these crib packs, 2 step chocks, 2 wheel chocks, and also an MV kit. Turtle Plastics, great products, lots of stabilization options. So if you're looking for quality products, nice pricing, shipped fast, stop and see us at howellrescuesupply.com.